Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 are expected to go on sale in India soon, but it looks like the price of the True Wireless Stereo (TWS) earbuds have already leaked. The Galaxy Buds 2 are said to be priced just under 13,000 rupees in India, which makes them more expensive than the original Galaxy Buds but less than the Galaxy Buds Pro that launched in January this year. It should be noted that Samsung has not shared India pricing or availability of the Galaxy Buds 2 yet. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 TWS earbuds will be priced at 12,990 rupees. Samsung launched the Galaxy Buds 2 globally at $149.99, roughly 11,100 rupees, in graphite, lavender, olive, and white colors. For comparison, the original Samsung Galaxy Buds are priced at 9,990 rupees, while the Galaxy Buds Pro price in India is 15,990 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 specifications. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 feature a two-way driver configuration that includes a tweeter and a woofer. The earbuds feature 3 microphones and 2 of them are used for active noise cancellation, ANC. They are tuned by AKG and come with IPX7 rating for splash and water resistance. The TWS earbuds feature Bluetooth V5.2 connectivity and sensors on board include accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, hall sensor, touch sensor and a voice pickup unit, VPU. In terms of battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, as per Samsung, can